In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign back into your Moonshot app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up Moonshot. Now from here, you'll be taken to the home page. Once you're on the home page, click onto holdings. Once you click on the holdings, it will say Moonshot, trade moonshots with ease, register or sign in. So click onto the register or sign in. Put in your email here. So I'm going to put in my email address, tutorials23@gmail.com. Got to agree to the terms and then click done. Then what happens here? Please enter the verification code we emailed you to continue. So check your spam folders as well, because sometimes these codes will get sent there. So I'm going to go jump into my email. All right, I'm inside my emails and here's my 6-digit verification code. So I need to copy and paste this back into Moonshot. So I'm going to click hold, copy. Now I'm going to paste that code in like so. And once you've logged back in, it will take you to your profile page like so.